Hello and welcome. I wanted to take you through a really quick breathing technique today that will help you find a little bit of calm. So you might be familiar already with the 5-7 technique, and this involves breathing in to the count of 5 and breathing out to the count of 7. So the idea behind this is to make your out breath longer than your in breath, and this will really help to settle and relax your body. So beginning then, you can choose somewhere to sit comfortably or stand, it's entirely up to you. And gently allowing your eyes to close or just lowering your gaze. And then becoming aware of your breath in the body. And first of all, just noticing the breath. Noticing its qualities. Where you can feel your breath the most today. And all you're doing is noticing. Every time the mind drifts and dreams, just bring your awareness back to the breath. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest, your belly, shoulders. And now bringing in those numbers. So as you breathe in, breathing into the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathing out to the count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can choose to slow these numbers down or speed these numbers up, whatever feels comfortable for you. And then just letting go of those numbers, breathing normally. Noticing any feelings of relaxation in the body. Try to hold on to those feelings. As we begin now to bring this practice to a close, So when you feel comfortable to do so, you can open your eyes if your eyes are closed today. Now that's just a short breathing practice that you can do anytime. You don't have to listen to this track. You can just take a few of those breaths throughout the day to help you feel a little more calm and a little more relaxed.